Hey guys, happy Wednesday. On Wednesdays we wear pink. So I'm gonna be having a friend over soon. Actually, when you guys watch this will be the day that she's over, on Wednesday. But my house is a mess because it was, you know, Halloween weekend, sort of, at least around here it was. So didn't do much cleaning up. So now I'm paying the piper and I gotta get all this stuff cleaned up and, you know, pretend like I know how to adult. Actually, I was just talking about this to a friend the other day. I think people's misconception is that, oh, you have a YouTube channel where you do like a bunch of cleaning videos, you must love to clean, or her house must be super tidy, like so much cleaner than mine or a normal person's. No, girl. The reason I do cleaning videos is because it gives me the motivation to actually clean my house. It it inspires me because I'm, you know I'm recording it and I'm just trying to get everything done. It's kind of like a challenge for me, and then when I see comments or likes and stuff like that, it's just really cool to see that other people struggle with the same things. And that's why I don't just do cleaning either, because I don't even know. I mean, kudos to the people who just have cleaning channels who upload like 3 or 4 times a week with nothing but cleaning videos. I think that's awesome, but that's a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my kitchen. I always start with my kitchen, if you guys haven't noticed, only because this is probably one of the hardest things for me to tackle, and once I tackle it, I feel like I can do everything else much quicker. This mess, you know, not enough trick-or-treaters came by on the weekend that we were home. We have that, and this whole thing was full of salad. Not much left. And the living room. Yikes. And then I gotta head downstairs and do some laundry. What's wrong, bud? I got him these like tiny cars with little tracks, but they're so hard to keep together, these little things. Let's see.
Okay.
Let me see. They're so hard to piece together, and when you do, they come apart so quickly. Here, put them down.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens with.
Okay, so obviously I exaggerate just a little bit. I do like to clean. I don't mind cleaning because I like to have a clean space. However, being able to keep up with cleaning is super hard, and I think I just lack a lot of inspiration. I do enjoy routines, but I also really enjoy spontaneity. So a lot of the times when I'm like, I can clean, or I can do this thing that just came up, and obviously you would rather do almost anything else but clean. So one thing I want to try maybe in the future is changing up my routine, and maybe the order that I do things or the things that I actually do, and breaking them up in a different way just to kind of keep it different. Good Lord, look at this pile of clean dishes. It is taking up so much room. And I'm still not completely done. If our dishwasher was working, this would be so much easier and so much quicker. Also, for future cleaning videos, so that I could actually make more cleaning videos for you guys, I was thinking that I really liked some of the series I've been seeing from other YouTubers, like Getting It All Done. You see the crockpot meals that they cook, but they're also going shopping and they're also cleaning, and they have much more than just cleaning their house or just focusing on one area of their house or cleaning up their whole house and nothing else. I think it just kind of keeps it interesting to see different areas of their day. I've seen some people integrate their meals and their workout along with cleaning their house. I just think that it's maybe an interesting thing to try out. So let me know if those are the kinds of videos that you guys would like to be seeing in the future. Let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a like and I will start doing that.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added color.
Alright, now for the grimy part, I think that this was some pasta from the other day that just kind of spilled over, never got thoroughly cleaned up, and basically just stuck itself down really hard onto the stove. Bought a bunch new coffees because Ben says the Cinnabon stuff that I buy is not real coffee. I did not notice that it is light roast, and usually we don't do that because it gives him heartburn and it is a little bit more tangy, although the cinnamon roll one doesn't taste that way to me. But I got maple pecan just in case he wanted that. I doubt it. But otherwise I also got this mahogany dark roast caribou coffee, which I know that we both like. Quick reminder, because it's getting cold outside, for all you coffee drinkers or even tea drinkers, make sure you are cleaning your Keurig daily, just wiping it down, getting all of the germs off of there. We're touching them every single day, even your coffee makers, your coffee pots. We don't always wash our hands directly before or after, so just to kind of keep sickness at bay, make sure you're wiping that sucker down. So I guess it's about that time, put all that Halloween stuff away. I actually got this on clearance, or Ben did for me because he thought I'd like it, but we didn't get a chance to burn the candles, so we'll probably just have to keep this for next year. And yeah, I'm a little sad that Halloween is over, so now all the decorations for Halloween have to go down. However, I am really excited that Christmas time is rolling around, and I'm definitely that person who puts up the Christmas tree on Christmas Eve, and I'm trying to hustle to decorate or put presents together. I'm a last minute person and I hate that. But this year I decided this is my year. This is the year that I am going to be prepared for Christmas. It is not going to catch me by surprise again. So every year with the pumpkins, after trick-or-treating, I always put the pumpkins up really high, and I do this to kind of ward off temptation, because otherwise little fingers get into their pumpkins when nobody's looking. Now generally my kids are pretty good about asking and reminding each other, no, we have to ask mom and dad first, but that's not to say that they're not, you know, they're imperfect little human beings. Wiping down the table lately has been so awkward. Our table is so rickety now. We got this, I want to say maybe a year after Yuri was born. We didn't have a whole lot of finances. I mean, we still don't, but we probably need to upgrade. We've had this then for 7 years. We got it at Goodwill, and I think it was $30 for the table and 4 chairs. So I figured that was affordable, and it's lasted us this long. So we just kind of, we're those people who we try to keep what we have as long as we can, unless, you know, we have the money to upgrade, and usually we have other expenses that we need to take care of, so we just never upgrade our stuff, which is fine because it's just stuff, and you know, we don't need anything fancy, we just need it to be usable. However, lately it's been kind of weird. I don't know what's been going on with it, but it's just kind of been rocking back and forth, and one of the chairs is breaking a little bit, so we got to figure that stuff out. So right now I'm gathering all the kids' toys and stuff together that they've left on the couch or on the floor, just kind of around the house, and I'm going to gather them in a pile. Then I'm eventually going to put them in a basket so that they can put away whatever is theirs and where it belongs. this is the new temporary pet caterpillar that we got. Ben almost ran over it when he got home from school. He found it behind the tire. So him and the kids decided to bring it in. They found some Tupperware that we got from Panera, and we built it a little habitat, and it's actually been thriving pretty well since we put it in there. It seems really comfortable. It doesn't even try to get out. It just kind of crawls around on the sticks and eats the leaves. So it's kind of cool. I don't know how long we'll keep it for, but I think the kids are hoping to keep it and see if it'll turn into a butterfly and all that. So we'll see. Alright, so really quick before I start getting on with the laundry or the bathroom, I want to show you guys a couple things that I did get from Target. There was a few things that I got this morning. I swear Target plays a mind tricks on you. They know just what they're doing with that $1 section or whatever it is. Not even like really the dollar spot, because it goes up to like $7 per item, so it's really easy to accidentally get out of hand. I put in like $20 worth of stuff in my cart, and then by the end I was like, what am I doing? I think that symbol just like hypnotizes you or something, just like all the pretty stuff. So I ended up putting a bunch of it back. We were in there because Gideon just wanted to look at a few toys and stuff. He wanted to show me some of the stuff he wanted for Christmas. So we went to the toy aisle, and that's just kind of when I came out of my fog. I wanted to show you a couple of things that I did get from that section, and then I do have some decorations and stuff, but I think I'm going to show that in another video when I'm actually decorating and putting up my tree and stuff, or when I accumulate more, because I only have a few things for that. But I thought that these looked really cute. It looks nice, really comfy, like little slippers, and I like the color of them. And these were $7. But that's how much I would pay if I went to Walmart or Kohl's or something like that. And let's see, this one was $5. Hats, because I really like beanies when it starts getting cold. I have a black one that's almost like this. It's black and gray. And then I think I know how to knit, or not knit, I'm sorry. I know how to crochet. I wish I knew how to knit, but I don't know that I have the patience to learn that technique. So I have crocheted my own hats and stuff. It takes so much time, and these are so pretty, and they have like little sparkles in them. Anyway, so these match each other. I'm not sure why that's important, if these need to be kept in the house, but I thought they were cute. And then the other thing that I got from that section was this really big, it's not really a scarf, it's not really a blanket, it's more like a shawl. That way when it's cold, you kind of put this over yourself, but I'll probably end up using it like a blanket and a shawl and, you know, all that stuff. Let's see what it says on here. Yeah, you can use it as a scarf 3 different ways, like a scarf, like a poncho, or a belted poncho, which might be kind of nice. I just really like the colors. I'm really liking the white, or like the cream colors. This has cream colored and gray. So you can find that at Target if you guys like it. This is actually the other scarf slash shawl that I got from the dollar spot. It's a little bit more autumn-like. Really soft, really cozy. So laundry I have to fold or hang up, just put it away. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over limits with you right now. Right now.
Maybe it's 'cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. We were on top of the world, had time that we wasted. We were young and so dumb. I knew that you were the one, played our songs all the time. Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again?
So if you guys like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye!